Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Today we're going to be talking about this 2011 Ram 3500. I was having an issue with this truck. Actually, it was pretty good the way it happened. I was working about an hour away from here, from my shop, and when I made it back into my shop, my truck literally died as I was pulling in, and and then I thought that there was something wrong with my batteries. I had to jump start it and then install it. I had assumed that the batteries were bad. However, my batteries have been on the truck only for about a year and a half, and I bought the 3-year warranty battery. So I put them to charge with this low charge over here, and they held up the charge pretty good. I had them on 2 amps for about 24 hours. So that tells me that my batteries are fine. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the alternator on the truck. And the reason I wanted to shoot a video is because so I called my local auto parts. They actually quoted me for like $450 for the alternator. However, if you know me, if you've been following my channel, sometimes I don't mind to wait if I can get the parts for cheaper. I had this company that I buy from. They are not paying me to advertise their company or anything. I just wanted to share with you guys this company, Rock Auto. It's pretty good. They got a bunch of parts for all kinds of different cars, and the prices are a lot better than what we will pay in regular auto parts stores. The downside to this is you have to wait whenever you order parts. Like I ordered these on last Friday, and I think I got it. I did it Friday night actually, and I just got it on Friday. So I had to waste 5 days of waiting for the part. But anyway, I mean I paid less than $200 for it versus $450, which was on the auto part. So now I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna try to replace it. Make sure that was my issue. So like I said, the reason I'm trying to shoot the video is that if you're not in a hurry, you should try to look online. You might be able to find a part supplier. You'll be able to save quite a bit of money. If I have an issue with the batteries, I'm gonna have to replace them. That's gonna be another $400 or $500 to replace the batteries. But that's the reason I try to save a little bit of money when I can. And I'm gonna go ahead and swap this up. It shouldn't be too hard to get to it. It's right here. I've never changed these, but I'm gonna see how fast I can do it. So stay tuned. Once I actually finish it, I'm gonna shoot another video. If you're having an issue with this, I'm gonna try to show you the light that came on, and that's why I'm assuming that that is what is wrong with my truck. I cannot see obviously because but one of the lights right here on the dash came on, and it's like an X and it's red. And when that happens, it's either you have a bad battery or your alternator is bad. So I'm gonna replace it, and I'll let you know how things turn out. Stay tuned.